That is heat number 6, and that the youngest swimmer is just 72 years younger. Wow. Let's wait and see what he has for us.
I love swimming. Swimming has been one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I had a very bad back problem. Swimming helped me get rid of it altogether. I've had problems with my elbow, and that also helped. But the gala here has been organized beautifully, and I would like to say it was so well. It's nice to see so many people taking part. For those who are interested in swimming, I will say take up swimming if you've not taken it up, or keep on swimming, because with swimming you're always a winner. Whether you win medals, whether you do your personal best, or whether you actually try and improve on your health, but it always helps you. So keep on swimming and enjoy yourself.
Our call is to all the other swimmers out there, the adult swimmers, that they should join this wonderful movement where adults have a chance to compete and at the same time have fun. So as Kiambu County, we are so honored, and we really appreciate the support and the growth that the swimming masters is going on.
And we encourage everybody out there to come and join the movement. Swimming is good, swimming is fun, and swimming is good for your life.